There's a lot of misconceptions about Roth IRAs. Now I'm going to debunk those in today's video, and I'm going to show you that these myths are actually benefits you might not even be thinking about when you're thinking of a Roth IRA. I'm Matt Sorensen. Let's build wealth. So I'm going to go through 5 common myths about Roth IRAs. Coming in at number 1, and it's the reason a lot of people don't put money into a Roth IRA, is they think they can't get the money out until they're 59 and a half. You can get the money out of a Roth IRA earlier. You do not have to wait till you're 59 and a half. Only the earnings and growth of a Roth IRA, you have to wait till you're 59 and a half. But the money I put into a Roth IRA every year, if I'm throwing $7,000 a year into the Roth IRA, I can take out whenever I want. I can take it out tomorrow, next month. I can take it when I'm 20, 30, it doesn't matter. You can pull contributions out of a Roth IRA at any time without tax or penalty. So for example, let's say you contributed to your Roth IRA for 10 years and you have $70,000 of contributions in the Roth IRA, but the account's grown because of investments to $120,000. Well, that $50,000 of investment growth, that has to go for the long haul till you reach 59 and a half, and you can pull it out then. But that $70,000 you set aside to save in the Roth IRA of contributions, you can pull out whenever you want for any reason. All right, the second myth on Roth IRAs. I can't contribute to a Roth IRA because I make too much money, Matt. You can still contribute to a Roth IRA. You have to do what's called a backdoor Roth IRA. There are income restrictions on making a regular Roth IRA contribution. However, if you do what's called a backdoor Roth IRA, you can still get $7,000 a year into your Roth IRA. This is what I do with my Roth IRA. Our clients at Directed IRA do it every year. You can do it at Fidelity. It doesn't matter. This is all over the place. Any sophisticated investor knows the backdoor Roth IRA method. What you do is you make a $7,000 non-deductible contribution into a traditional IRA, and then you convert it to Roth. The Roth IRA is for everybody. At any income level, you can have a Roth IRA. Make sure you check out my video here on the backdoor Roth IRA to get the details on how to execute on that. The next knock I hear all the time about Roth IRAs are, Matt, but I don't want to buy more Wall Street products. I've already got enough stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. I don't want to just pour more money into another retirement account that just owns Wall Street products. Guys, Roth IRAs can buy real estate. They can invest in small businesses. In crypto, you just need a self-directed Roth IRA with the custodian that lets your retirement account invest in non-publicly traded assets. That's what we do here every day at my company, Directed IRA. That's what I do with my own Roth IRA. And that's what some of the wealthiest investors out there like Peter Thiel and others have done with their Roth IRAs. So don't think your Roth IRA is beholden to Wall Street. You can go do a brokerage account or buy an S&P 500 fund or an ETF or whatever you may be interested on Wall Street, and that's fine, that's common, but just know that's not your only option. So you can invest in non-publicly traded assets using a self-directed Roth IRA. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I got a lot of content and videos on just how to self-direct an IRA to buy real estate, private companies, crypto, all that stuff, non-publicly traded assets. All right, myth number 4, kids can't have a Roth IRA. You've got to be 18 or older to have a Roth IRA. Not true. Anybody with earned income can have a Roth IRA. You got a kid with a summer job, a teenager that works part-time during junior high or high school. You got a kid you can employ in your small business on your rental properties. They can have earned income that allows them to contribute to a Roth IRA. We love to use Roth IRAs for kids to help plan and save for college. So you can have a Roth IRA yourself. Maybe you have a Roth IRA for your teenager as well. And that $7,000 a year you're putting in off of their earned income, that can be used for future college expenses. Remember, that $7,000 you're putting in every year, you can pull out for any other reason. Now, the investment growth and gains they had, let them get a head start on their own retirement. Let's let that continue to build and grow. Now, we do kids Roths every day here at Directed IRA. You can do them at Fidelity, wherever. There's lots of places where you can do a kids Roth IRA account. Just remember, they have to have earned income. And the final myth, number 5, is a non-working spouse can't contribute to a Roth IRA. Matt, I have a job where I work at and I have earned income, but my spouse maybe stays at home with the kids or doesn't have a job right now, or they're in school or whatever it may be. They can't contribute to a Roth IRA. Not true. You can have a Roth IRA spousal contribution for a non-working spouse that's based on the working spouse's earned income. So that allows you to contribute $14,000 a year between a married couple, even if one of them is non-working and does not have earned income themselves. So don't count out your non-working spouse, whatever they may be doing. You can still be making Roth IRA contributions in their Roth account. We all know and love Roth IRAs because our money grows tax-free as we're investing it and comes out tax-free at retirement. But don't forget these 5 additional benefits that most people think are myths. I can put the money into my Roth IRA and get it out at any time. I can always access my contribution. I can still have a Roth IRA even if I'm high income. I can self-direct my Roth IRA. I don't have to just buy Wall Street products. I can buy real estate, small business, crypto. It takes a self-directed Roth IRA. I can also use it as a college savings vehicle for my kids. I can do a kids Roth IRA if if they have earned income. And don't forget, you can also use it for a non-working spouse using the earned income of the working spouse. These are just 5 additional benefits to the Roth IRA from what you probably already know. Now, I'm always giving tips on how to build wealth. Retirement accounts are a key tool to use in building wealth. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm always giving tips and strategies on how you can build wealth. And using retirement accounts is a key way to do that. I'm Sorensen. I'll see you next time.